Hello, and welcome back to iCalculator. Today, we're delving into the tax system of Manitoba, a province known for its rich cultural heritage, diverse landscapes, and significant agricultural and manufacturing sectors. First, let's outline the topics for today's video. We'll start with an overview of Manitoba, focusing on its geographical location, population, and cultural and economic contributions. Next, we'll examine Manitoba's tax system and currency, exploring the details of its tax structure and the Canadian dollar. Finally, we'll highlight how the iCalculator tools can be utilized for navigating Manitoba's financial environment. Let's begin with our first section. Manitoba, located at the heart of Canada, is a province characterized by its vast prairies, numerous lakes, and rich Indigenous history. With a population of over 1.3 million, Manitoba is known for its multicultural community, with a strong presence of Indigenous peoples and a diverse immigrant population. The province's economy is bolstered by its agricultural prowess, manufacturing industries, and growing technology sector. Cities like Winnipeg, the provincial capital, are centers of cultural and economic activity, showcasing Manitoba's journey from a fur trading post to a modern economic player. The province's varied landscape and cultural richness make it a unique and important part of Canada. Now let's explore the specifics of Manitoba's tax system. Manitoba's tax system features a progressive income tax, where individuals and businesses pay rates that increase with higher income levels. The province also has a provincial sales tax, PST, which is applied to most goods and services. Understanding the tax filing deadlines and regulations is essential in Manitoba, as the tax year aligns with the calendar year. This tax structure supports Manitoba's public services and infrastructure, playing a key role in its socio-economic development. In terms of currency, Manitoba, like the rest of Canada, uses the Canadian dollar, CAD. The CAD's stability is a testament to Canada's strong economy, of which Manitoba is a crucial part, especially with its agricultural and manufacturing contributions. This underlines the province's role in the national and international economic landscape. Next, we will look at how iCalculator tools can assist in managing and understanding Manitoba's financial landscape. iCalculator is home to a comprehensive suite of different tools to simplify and clarify your financial planning and decision-making. You can start by understanding your take-home pay with our Salary After Tax Calculator, which offers a clear view of your net income after all tax deductions. Compare different salaries with our Salary Comparison Calculator, providing insights into where your earnings stand compared to previous years. Streamline your payroll process using our Payroll Calculator, which is crafted to assist in calculating salaries, taxes, and contributions for businesses. You can estimate the total cost of new hires using our Recruitment Cost Calculator, covering all aspects of the recruitment process. Stay informed with our tax tables, offering a quick reference to the tax rates and thresholds from current and previous years. Explore a variety of salary scenarios with our salary examples, offering detailed breakdowns of tax obligations for different wages. For employers, understand the full cost of employing staff with our Employment Cost Calculator, including salaries and additional benefits. And for those with irregular income, use our Flexi Tax Calculator, a specialized tool for calculating salaries after tax for inconsistent income. Access all these tools easily with our free iCalculator app, available on all devices. It offers user-friendly navigation for efficient financial management, right at your fingertips. That concludes our exploration of Manitoba's tax system and the comprehensive tools iCalculator offers for effective financial management in Manitoba. This guide should have provided you with a solid understanding of the Manitoban tax year and other essential financial details. For access to these tools and more information, don't forget to click the link in the description. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and switch on notifications to ensure you never miss an update.